leave your comments below. First of all, take an oval shaped cardboard and you need eggshell, 2 wires. The length of the wires may be around 25 centimeters. I'm taking 24 centimeters. Make spiral shape at one end of the wire using round plier so that we can stick this to the eggshell, and another end should be stuck onto the cardboard, so we need to make it flatter. So once you make them, we are going to stick the eggshell onto it, and when they are dry we are going to adjust the wire so that it actually stands like a freaking flamingo. So here is the neck part, the head part. You can get this wire from any hardware shop, it's really cheap. I got a big roll of this wire for just 10 rupees in Chennai. So using a cardboard, I'm going to insert this neck part into the eggshell. And this is feather part. So here is the backside feather part. I'm using hard paper for this. So before sticking this onto the eggshell, I'm using stapler and getting an angle on this paper. Now get a rope and start winding this around the wire. While sticking, you can use hot glue gun. Just fill the middle part with glue gun. Be careful so that you don't burn your hand. So as you reach the head part, you need to reduce the diameter of the neck. So you need to cut one strand of this rope and decrease the thickness of the neck. It's time to play with our homemade clay, so get some homemade clay and our homemade glue. Apply the glue on the eggshell and start sticking the clay on it. This is cooked clay. You can get the link from the description box. Stick all over the flamingo. And to the neck part, below the neck part, everywhere. I have given both the homemade clay and homemade glue recipes in the description box. You can go and check it out. To make the surface of the flamingo soft and smooth, I am going to apply some homemade glue and wipe away with my fingers to make the surface even. If you don't have homemade glue, you can also mix water and any PVA glue. And here is the leg part. And the wings. I have made the wings in teardrop shape. Now take a small thin wire and bend in the middle and keep aside. Dust the flamingo with talcum powder so that the clay doesn't stick to our hands. And now I'm making impressions with this wire so that it actually looks like feathers. This wire is actually called as flower making wire. You can get from the craft shop, or else just use whatever wire is available at your home. Coming to the beak, I am using a wire for that too. So here, coming to the leg part, just put some clay at the top and start pulling downwards. It's not that difficult. And in the knees I'm adding some more clay because I think flamingo has this structure. Now get some rocks and use them here around the flamingo. Now let's see how to make this morning glory flower using homemade clay. It's really simple, just watch out the steps. From here I have nothing to speak. It's just about coloring the flowers and the flamingo. So watch the video carefully.
I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
So guys, if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and please do keep on encouraging me to make more and more videos. And I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching this till this end. Bye bye.